নমস্কাৰ দিনটো এটি গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ খবৰৰ সৈতে সামগ্ৰী খবৰটোৰ মজত মই আব্দুল্লাহ লকডাউন আৰু চৰম আৰ্থিক সংকটৰ মাজতে চলিত শিক্ষাবৰ্ষ সমাপ্ত হোৱাৰ দিশত এনে সংকটৰ মাজতে মৰকজুল মাৰিফৰ প্ৰশংসনীয় পদক্ষেপ মৰকজুল মাৰিফ অসমৰ এটি চিনাকি নাম মৰকজুল মাৰিফৰ অধীনত অসমৰ বিভিন্ন জিলাত আছে বিদ্যালয় মহাবিদ্যালয় হাইস্কুল শিক্ষান্ত পৰীক্ষাৰ দিন চমু চাপি অহাৰ লগে লগে তৎপৰ হৈ পৰিছে মৰকজুল মাৰিফ সেই হিচাপে মৰকজুল মাৰিফৰ পৰা আজি পাৰভেজ আলম লস্কৰৰ নেতৃত্বত এটি সজাতি দল হাতীবুকৈ মৰকজ একাডেমীত আহি উপস্থিত হয় মৰকজ একাডেমীৰ অধ্যক্ষ হাজী আহমদুল্লাহ সাহাবে তেওঁলোকক একোখনকৈ ফুলাম গামোচাৰে আদৰণি জনাই ইয়াৰ পাছতে প্ৰতিটো শ্ৰেণীকক্ষ পৰ্যবেক্ষণ কৰাৰ লগতে ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলৰ লগত মত বিনিময় কৰে সজাতি দলটোৱে দশম শ্ৰেণীৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীৰ লগত প্ৰায় 1 ঘণ্টা সময় জুৰি বিতং আলোচনা কৰে কোন কোন বিষয় ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল পিছপৰি আছে পিছপৰি থকাৰ কাৰণ আৰু এনে সমস্যাৰ সমাধান সম্পৰ্কে ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীৰ লগত পোনপটীয়াকৈ সজাতি দলটোৱে আলোচনা কৰে এই মুহূৰ্তত তেওঁলোকৰ কিছু মন্তব্য আছে আপোনালোকলৈ আগবঢ়াইছো
Sir, thanks for your arrival to the Markaz Academy. Sir, first time you are visiting Markaz Academy. Sir, how do you feel by visiting Markaz Academy?
So I have recently joined as the academic executive of Markazul Marif, and as a part of my job description, I am to visit all the schools and institutions under Markaz Academy. So for that I visited here today. I interacted with students of all the classes, with the teachers, the principal, and I am quite grateful that such an institution is working in such a place of Assam. We expect that in the coming years we will see some better results. We also expect that the way this school is functioning, it also advances in leaps and bounds. And our teachers and our principal are working very, they are working with a goal-oriented approach. The goal is to secure a position as soon as possible. And I think our principal and the dedicated staff will be able to give it very soon.
Sir, your good name, please.
I am Parvez Alam Laskar.
Sir,
as your first time visiting Markaz Academy, so tell something as a message to our society for creating awareness for women education, sir.
You see, our patrons Maulana Badruddin Ajmal Sahab and Maulana Sirajuddin Ajmal Sahab, they have since the very inception of Markazul Marif, they have laid stress or emphasis on the fact that our women of our community or women in general, they should get educated as soon as possible. It has been a dedicated approach towards advancing women education to empower women, and I personally am of the belief that educating a woman is the best form of empowering a woman, and if we can empower women, we are empowering 50% of the population of the world. So even in this area, if our women are empowered, then we have 50% of the society that is being empowered. I think Markaz Academy and Markazul Marif, we will walk hand in hand towards this approach.
Markaz Academy is most important for Islamic ideology, sir. It is working. So what do you think and what would you like to tell to the people about the Markaz Academy, sir?
Yes, you see, India is a very secular country. And in a secular country, everybody has the right to profess or practice his or her own religion. And Islam being one of the religion of this country, I don't think that that should become any problem. Rather, a better understanding of Islamic education and Islamic ideology is of utmost importance right now, because a better Muslim is an asset for the society. And Markazul Marif has been working tirelessly in this area to advance education, both modern as well as the Islamic one, because we feel that the mind and body will work in a very coherent fashion if both these ideologies, that is modern education and Islamic education, work hand in hand. So there is nothing wrong in Islamic education, or there is no image problem as such. Islamic education is important. We should have our own religious study. That does not mean that we are emphasizing only on Islamic education. Anybody who is from any religion, he has the right to practice his religion, understand more about it. Just because we come from the Muslim community, it is our duty and right to understand more about Islam, the sayings of our Prophet, and what our Quran says. So that's it. There is no problem there.
Thanks for your arrival and giving the most important, valuable suggestion and opinions. Now I want to know, sir, your feelings by visiting these schools?
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Actually, my name is Mokon Das. I am an assistant teacher in Markaz Academy English High School, Hujai. So, for the past 3 or 4 years, I have been in teaching in Markaz Academy English High School. So, basically, I am a teacher of maths and science, and from the joining of my school, I have been teaching. I am the class teacher of class 10. So, today, our Parvez sir, he told me that to go with him and to visit in this place so that we can interact with some students and to motivate them. So I told definitely I will go. So I came here. I am very much honored and pleased, and I have interacted with students as well as our staff. So the staff here doing a tremendous job with the resource they have. They are doing a tremendous job, and I have interacted with students also. The students here are very much good. That means well behaved, well disciplined, and their speaking and communication skill also too much good. But since our purpose of coming here is to motivate and inspire them, so that whatever they have, so they can bring it out and they can show in the upcoming HSLC
So
result.
one more question. There is a blame on the Produmer, the Markazul Maarif, the NGOs working on the favor of the Muslim community. Sir, as a non-Muslim, what do you think or what do you tell?
So I think this is from where this allegation come, I don't know. This is a baseless allegation. For the past 3-4 years, I told you that I have been engaged here, and I never because as you told that I never think that I am a Hindu or a Muslim, because a teacher is always a teacher. If teacher get distinguished between Hindu and Muslim, then how can he can teach or can do anything good for his students? So no doubt modern education and Islamic education are going on together, and I'm very much happy that they are taking both the things together in a very systematic and a very good way. So they are getting modern education as well as Islamic education also, and this is because many of the staffs, not alone me, more than I think 10 or 15 student teachers, Hindu teachers are there, and staffs are also there. So we don't have any differentiation between Hindu and Muslim. So this is a baseless allegation, I would
Last
say.
time again, your good name, please.
My name is Mokon Das.
Thank you so much, and thanks for your arrival and giving most important opinions for about this. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.